Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off comments you follow on your accounts on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings. Now click manage notifications. Now click comments you follow like this, and it will be turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it like this and it should be turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.